So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to use PowerPoint presentation in presenter view in Google Meet. So first, open your Google Meet and access your meeting. Once you're already in, open your PowerPoint, which is I use in Canva. And after that, click the present button right here and make sure that it is on the presenter view. Again, click the present button. And once you already see the presenter view. After that, you will see the emoticon or emoji logo. Beside it, you will see the present now and click the Canva or presentation right here. Click on the share button and wait until it shares. Click on the enter full screen mode and you will see the presenter view right here. Go back to the Google Meet. For you to able to check if it is working, click the presenter view and go to your meeting as well. Then go to the next page and make sure that the screen shared PowerPoint on the Google Meet is also on the same page as on the presenter view.